I started in my state now. Future is entrepreneurs. My concept is one family, one entrepreneur, MSME. It may be small, it may be medium size, but finally every family should have a business loop. Everybody has to think in that direction. To make it reality, Andhra Pradesh is able to procure land the innovative way. All over the world there is a problem of land. Nowhere nobody has done. I acquired nearly 33,000 acres of land for capital under land pooling. I didn't spend even one pie. The land pooling, I will give you annuity. I will develop one plot. Remaining I will keep for monetization. Now phase 2 I am going. Country nobody is going. Within 30 days we are able to lay the foundation. Ramka project, that is the 5th generation fighter craft. Every project I am able to procure land the stipulated time. Now Google has come, $15 billion. We are able to acquire land within 4 months. All clearances we are able to acquire.